Welcome to the Snippety tutorial, where we'll reveal the latest AI features designed to supercharge your productivity. Today, we'll explore how the integrated AI assistant can revolutionize your workflow by generating reusable templates and dynamic snippets with AI-driven placeholders. Unlocking the full potential of this feature will take your daily tasks to new heights. Let's start with the setup process. Navigate to the application settings and find the AI tab. Here, you'll need to configure your API key to enable the new functionality. You have the option to utilize the OpenAI API, featuring popular GPT models, or integrate with Llama to access locally stored models without additional API costs. Feel free to experiment with different models. While GPT-4 Turbo provides high accuracy, GPT 3.5 prioritizes speed. Once you picked your model, simply provide your API key. If you're yet to obtain it, click on for guidance. With the setup complete, let's dive into the features. The first one is template generation. Boost your template generation by asking AI to generate the template for you. Imagine you frequently compose invitations for various IT conferences. Begin by creating a new snippet as usual. Within the snippet editor, locate the new AI button. Here, you'll find three key options for template generation: insert placeholders into your existing template, insert content without placeholders, or generate a complete template with placeholders. While we could use the last option, for demonstration purposes, let's start by generating the content only. Now, let's instruct the AI. Allow a moment to process the request. Fantastic! The template is generated. You can refine it as needed or request additional content. Next, let's insert placeholders into the template. Select this option from the AI menu. Impressive! Snippety accurately identified and inserted placeholders for text and dates. You also have the flexibility to manually adjust the template to suit your needs. Let's save our snippet. The AI-generated template is now ready for use. Each generated placeholder is recognized by the application and ready to be filled in. That was the first feature called AI template generation. However, the most powerful feature is the AI Assistant Placeholder. Let's see how it works. The new placeholder is a Swiss Army knife, capable of performing various tasks tailored to your needs. From fixing typos and translating text to summarizing content or even replying to selected text, the possibilities are endless. Let's begin with a simple example: a placeholder to fix punctuation in selected text. Create a basic template with a single placeholder. Use the AI Assistant Placeholder and instruct it to fix punctuation. Let's see it in action. Just select the text to be fixed and run the snippet as usual. Great! Now you've got your personal AI assistant capable of fixing punctuation. You can define as many smart snippets as you wish. Now, let's try creating a snippet that is able to add key points and summarize the article that we are writing. We'll start from adding a new chapter with key points. Let's ask our assistant to generate key points from the selection. Selection is the default input mode, but you can also use the clipboard. If you prefer providing the instructions while using the template, you can use the text field mode. For a simple requests like generate a random name when no input is needed, you can use none mode. Okay, we've got our first section. Now let's insert our original article. For this purpose we can use selected text placeholder. The last part is to add a chapter with the summary. Let's use AI Assistant one more time. The template is ready. Now let's try it. Remember, processing time may vary depending on the chosen model, so a brief wait may be necessary. Great! Now you have the assistant for writing articles. Hopefully, this video helped you better understand how the new feature works and will improve your daily work. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.